Hey guys, in this video I will show you the best Cronus Zen script for Black Ops 7 and Warzone called Auto Beam by Sosa Scripts. This script is insanely overpowered, and Black Ops 7 just made it 10 times better because they actually made aim assist even stronger, which you can see from this tweet. So the first thing this Auto Beam script has to offer is the insane sticky aim. This feature gives you double the aim assist compared to other players, putting you at a huge advantage. It literally feels like aimbot at times, and the best part is that you cannot be banned for it as it's not detectable. The script also has anti-recoil features and will turn your gun into a laser beam. As you can see from this image, it legit turned my gun into a beam that doesn't move at all. This is insane. But the thing is, people can't tell you're using it. They just think you're cracked and mastered the recoil of your gun, which makes it even better for making people rage quit. Also, another feature you guys will love is the headshot assist, which will help you get more headshots. And the reason this is such a good feature is because it will help you grind out camos way faster. Trust me, I was able to get dark matter insanely quick thanks to this script. And you can see the community is loving the script as well. This guy says he's been destroying people in games because of the script. It's that insane. By the way, guys, if you want to watch gameplay of the script, I can show it on YouTube, but you can watch gameplay of it right now if you go to sosaclips.xyz. You will be able to watch it there. The script also has a mod menu, so you can control everything from the Cronus Zen itself, and you won't have to go into Zen Studio ever. There's also the magnet aim feature, which will make your crosshairs stick to your enemies, which helps a lot in hipfire situations when you're really close to an enemy. But also it's good because it centers your aim on them before you actually aim in as well, which puts you at a major advantage. For all you guys that use semi-automatic guns, we also got the rapid fire mod on the script, which will make your gun shoot super fast. For all the movement demons out there, we got you also in this script, because with this script you can use the jump shot mod, which makes it harder for enemies to shoot at you mid-gunfight since you're moving around a lot. We also got the slide cancel mod, which is super essential for getting around the map quickly and getting to key points on the map before enemies. For all the snipers and quickscopers, this script also contains the auto hold breath feature, which is extremely overpowered and automatically holds your breath when you aim in with your sniper. So guys, what are you waiting for? Grab the best Black Ops 7 and Warzone script today at sosascripts.com. Hassan, make sure to click Auto Beam on the top menu and not the Swish Labs script, as that is our NBA 2K26 Cronus Zen script. But yeah, just select Auto Beam and go ahead and check out. Once you check out and pay, the script and full guide will be emailed to you. We also have full customer support access in our Discord server, which you will also get access to. And we even got tons of vouchers in the Discord, so you can see our scripts are top-notch. Also, guys, once you get the script, it's locked to your device, meaning no one can share the script with their friends or even resell it. This is great because it ensures it's kept within our community and can't get leaked, and no one could gain the unfair advantage for free. So guys, grab the best script now. We also teach you how to set up the script on your console if you need help with that. As I understand, some of you may be brand new to Cronus Zen scripts. So do not worry, we will handle everything and ensure that you get the support you need.